Okay. Day tour center. Okay. Oh, there's Lola's garden down there. Okay. There's all the stuff to do. Sky swing, sky rider, horse park, sky wheel. There's the big E. Up there they got a pagoda, and then past that they got a thing called the bamboo maze. Within my heart, in my heart, I can see mercy in my heart. This should be interesting. A Dorian Nuggets bar. Alright. So much to choose from in here. I love the eagle one. That's cool. We have to go to the Eagle Park today too.
Here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Tribal area and the Lola's Garden. Village area where you can catch catfish and tilapia. So, provided with fishing rod and bait sensors, you will be the one to catch the fish po. So, once you catch the fish, consider it sold. So, you have to pay for it. That's 400 per kilo. Our Philippine deer pen.
Oh, okay.
Put there so that some of our walking deer
Philippine deer, huh?
see it there. Okay, on your far right side, ma'am, sir, that is our Vista cottages. So that is good for 2 rooms, perfect for lovers and honeymooners.
Woo! I see one right there.
They're roaming around out. Yes, po. That's good. Actually, they started here male and female only. So as of now, they are already propagated. So we have here more than 30 here inside the deer farm.
Wow.
So actually, they love to eat leftover lettuce. Alright.
Hydroponic vegetable
Yes, sir.
garden.
When we say hydroponic, it is a soilless way of planting, so we don't use soil. So we use here coconut husk, ground into powder form to hold the roots down, and then flowing water out. So yan, binilin-nabunot lang din siya. So this is the green leaf lettuce or the loose leaf lettuce from planting po. 35 days, you can harvest na po siya. So more than 1 month lang. From planting, so 77 days before we harvest. This moment there's
Mangosteen.
sponsored because the season of the mangosteen is month of June until November. So ngayon walang bunga. So dahon lang muna yung makikita. We will give you 5 to 7 minutes to roam around and then picture.
Picture.
Yeah, so we have here our Eden crane, the man-made rainbow, and we have the lover's bell. So you can go down everywhere.
And that's where they actually have somebody take a picture of you and that they sell up at the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
The official photographer.
Ah, okay.
If you like the picture, you can buy. It's 150 pesos.
Okay, alright.
Good for a souvenir, sir.
Yeah.
Picture, ma'am.
Yeah, mag-picture ako karon.
Kuya, don't go too far.
Ethan! Okay, that's enough.
I can barely even see him.
Okay.
So we're going to pass through the Rainbow Pass.
Rainbow Pass.
Yeah. Flower garden and the amphitheater is
Oh, the Lover's Bell is right there. Okay. Why is he going to the Lover's Bell? He's too young.
Davao is a sunflower. Okay, we'll go that one.
Yep. Oh, this is the amphitheater that I saw on the thing. Okay.
Tan, gusto mo sa kayo kumain.
Sir, there's another frame there.
Okay.
You can take video there.
Yeah.
You have more time.
Okay, good. Now we got some history here. This is the exact replica of the statue of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception that stood above the ruins at Ateneo de Manila University during World War II. Billy button. Not belly button, but Billy button. Even cactus counts as flowers.
Oh, piso.
May water na din eh.
Wishing wheel. Pag-wish.
Still thinking about your wish? All right, there you go.